So today we are going to show you how templates are created in WagenAI. WhatsApp approved, Meta approved templates you can create from here. There are mainly two types of templates. One is utility templates. Another one is marketing templates. Usually is the transactions templates, which is lesser cost. And marketing templates are the marketing promotional message what we want to send. Whatever templates you send for approval, Meta check and approve that. It Meta require they change the categories as well. So like suppose you keep templates you have send, but Meta approved as a marketing template. So that is the Meta decisions. Okay. There is other one kind of marketing templates you can create here as well. That is the carousel templates, which you if you've seen that kind of templates which moves multiple cards in WhatsApp. So that is kind of templates you can send from here. I started the marketing templates, so you need to create the new templates from here. New templates. I'll give a different name demo. Offers with the marketing template. Select the channel and the language, and I'll say hi. This is the new audio. Whatever it could be. You make a header as a image and upload a funny sandwich up. So it's this kind of thing. You can create the font AI as well. So fans that's with AI. Now, create new offers, taunt, fan, EW life, fan link. Could be funny. So the Elena has created a new kind of thing. They and never like a thing. I want to put the name here. There. I want to put a name. So if you want to put a name while it's sending the message, you need to make it out there. Now, what is there? Yes. Similar, you can make multiple there, but right now I'm putting one there. You put the name. I'll put the start the name or something. Here in header, don't put emoji. So you can make a similar kind of text header, or I like to upload a image reader. Here. So participant app.
Then you come with the footer. Don't waste out the fun at the AI suggest. But what I suggest, if you are sending a marketing message, always send a reply stop or else the side. So if user don't want your marketing message, so they just send a stop and it will be stop forever. Later on, you can hit buttons, a reply button with the one click which you and in a fill or visit URL where it can put a URL of this. I'll put a URL of maybe a restaurant URL put with your restaurant URL. And then another type of button or numbers, coupon codes that you can go. This is how you create a templates, submit, and I'll go with submit. But if you want to create a UV template, you need to create a UPA category and compare your transaction details like you welcome your username is this or something kind of you can access, or your order ID is this, or whatever it would be the you duplicate. After this, you just submit the template. If it takes some time, it will submit to like that as well. Once it will submit to make up, if we pull as a pending stage, Bineta will take certain time to verify your templates. Once it's verified, it will be in a cook stage where there are certain templates which is already approved, and this is the new templates legal happen, which is like some pending check. So it's all appropriate, but whenever you want to check, you can check from here things from makeup whether it is upgraded or not, which is still pending. Okay. Now I'll show you the data again. on Canada template meaning it's this lock now. You need to click on Canada here and says Canada template is that send the template to marketing, but who can send them by Kittle cards or to the customers. So here I look at the demo card template. Okay, always the marketing is not saying them definitely. Card media it would be net or video. I'll go with media, and I'll put a body message. This is powered new menu. The body message that I'll put up in a standing bridge, and I book up SHQWACH, Sandglitch, or whatever it could be. The and nearly two, I had actually three cards. I put other who photos. Sorry, two cards. And the body message to serve the pound. And you can add buttons quick with live. You can add URL button as per your needs, and then you put up submit. You fill in, go to make that, and then it will come as a submit option. So let's go back. There's a new sandwich job was already there. It is still pending. Let me resync it. If it is the pro, it is the pro. New scientist. So now you want to broadcast your method guest, give you a feed, how the broadcast happen. Here is the broadcast. All the contacts is already there. You have import the contact either or you can create a contacts. So then you put to broadcast. You broadcast and through templates you take the templates. And here you need to create the segment. Either if you don't have contact ready, you can upload the contacts from here. You download a sector and then upload it from here. Otherwise, this is the contacts is created. Then you can create a segment of contact. There are many kinds of contacts which is created earlier, or this you need a particular group to be sent. So you create a segment from here. So this segment by this name June month. Okay. And the freezer will be created after 1st of June. I create the segment. And then the segment has 3 size bonds which has created after June. Okay. And continue. So you pick the variable again, the variable which you have guessed, the one. So whatever you want to put the name, phone number, it's saying here. Name, phone number, or whatever it could be the tags. So I put contact name. It's a fallback if there a contact name is not available in your contact. So there it would be guessed. And if you want to change the media from here again, then you bet see that yet the media is changed. Then you continue. And you put a broadcast name, or you don't have to give first sending media key, or you can literally call later. I'll go to send immediately. Retry node is something if you know that Meka is always has some error of health issues of certain number, because certain number don't get it directly because there are multiple marketing messages comes to the mom. So sometimes they reject. Smart hacker, they feel on the first try, they try later on. So your delivery, the ratio is that much more backups to higher sides. Delivery first and paid. Okay. Opt-out data is something where some user has sent a stop. Then if you click on opt-out on, then that particular user will not receive that message. Okay. But if you switch off, then again the user will receive. But app is recommended switch on because it's a standing. If you are sending on the internet without meta always ebonize on standing, some staying attentive than the number. Okay. So you assign after the broadcast happen, what you go to assign it to the AI. So AI will reply everything, or you will assign it to flow. The flow we have already covered. So if anyone sick of the buttons or anything, they will redirect to the flow which you have already created. Or a case of manual. I mean, you only can rely on that, no other time, no other AI or auto decline to hack. You can do a guest broadcast, 980% base 5 base A7, and send now to just check whether you have set it up properly, everything. You can do it with your number, and then after you can send it to the segment or broadcast because so then you have to second send broadcast, and then the all the number will be sending one by one to that particular and let's forget. So here this is how we build this broadcasting, and hope you have understood. Thank you.